Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. How are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your school, your schoolmates and teachers. But no problem, class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. As you people know that we have proceeded towards our second term. Fine. Now let's come to the main agenda. Today I'm going to conduct your English text class. The date today is 22nd January 2021 and the day is Wednesday. Okay class, as if I told you, today I'm going to proceed towards the chapter. Fine, we started the chapter and some of the reading was left. Fine, so I just need to ask you one thing. When you see this picture, what comes to your mind? Now you can see one lion is there, another one, and another animal is the leopard. Fine, they both are roaring at one another. They are growling and roaring means they are shouting at one another. Maybe they are having any fight. Fine, so we come to know that towards which story we are going to proceed. Fine. Okay, now come to your course book. Go fast and bring from your bag course book 3. Yes, as if I showed you the picture of the lion and the leopard. So this is the story of the lion and the leopard. Fine. The title to this story is The Lion and the Leopard. And we come to know that we have read the rest of half of the story and what happened in this story. Come to page number 63. Fine, we started this story. You can see this picture. Fine, the lion and the tiger, the leopard, they are roaring at one another, as if I showed you the picture in the beginning. And there is a pond over here. Fine, under whole water is there and they are fighting. Maybe they are fighting at the they want to drink water. So what had happened in the beginning of the story, the lion was wandering through the forest, through the jungle, and he was feeling so much thirsty, so he searched for the water hole, for the pond. And at the same time the leopard also felt thirsty, and both of them reached at the same spot at the same time. But leopard was the first one to reach. So what happened when both of them reached? Lion wanted to drink water first from the water hole, but leopard, he started to shout that I was the first one to reach over here, so how dare you to drink water first? So they had a fight in between. They both animals started to fight with one another. And what happened? Come to page number 64. Rest of the chapter reading was left. I'm going to explain you now. I'm going to start from the beginning. The lion was really angry. Fine, when there was a fight between them, lion was very angry because he's after all the king of the jungle. Fine, he's one of the kings of the jungle. So he was feeling, he had some ego that how come leopard fight with me. He lifted a powerful paw and aimed a blow at the leopard's head. ठीक है ना, वो अपना पंजा उठा के वो उसके सर पे मारते हैं. The leopard was smaller but he was quicker. ठीक है ना, leopard actually in size it is smaller but it is very quicker. He moved aside and sank his teeth into the lion's neck. वो उसके मतलब गर्दन पकड़ लेता है अपने दांतों से. They jumped this way and that. ठीक है ना, they were jumping like during fight they were jumping on one another. Their roars and grunts filled the air. उनकी जो आवाज़ें होती हैं, roars कहते हैं चुर्राने की आवाज़, grunts भी जो लड़ाई में आवाज़ें निकलती हैं, filled the air because the whole jungle was empty. So their egos and their grunts were like it was totally spreaded. The voice of their was spreaded there. The dust flew. They fought fiercely. They were ready to kill each other. बहुत ही fiercely means very wildly. They were killing one another. और ऐसा लग रहा था एक दूसरे को अभी मार देंगे. What happened now? After a while they stopped to get their breath back. ठीक है ना, थोड़ी देर के बाद उन लोगों ने सांस बेहाल की अपनी. Suddenly they felt movement in the air above them. उनको एकदम से जो है ना क्या हुआ, अपने आसपास हवा महसूस हुई. ठीक है, they looked up. अब जो है ना वो ऊपर देखते हैं तो क्या होता है, अच्छा हवा में उनको मूवमेंट महसूस हुई, यानी they were hearing some of the voices of maybe some of the birds. We'll come to know in the next coming lines what happened. They looked up. अब ऊपर देखते हैं, there high above them they saw something that made them go cold with fear. ठीक है ना, जब ऊपर देखते हैं तो एकदम वो खौफ से ठंडे हो जाते हैं. Vultures. Okay, what are vultures? Okay, vultures are the large birds that eat the flesh of the animals, dead animals. ठीक है ना, vultures कहते हैं गिद्ध को, जो कि मुर्दा जानवरों का गोश्त खाते हैं. ठीक है, they are very wild and fierce. Vultures, the big birds, circled silently and patiently. अब उन लोगों ने एक सर्कल सा बना लिया था कि जो भी उन दोनों में से मरता है, द लायन और द लेपर्ड, दे विल ईट द फ्लैश ऑफ दैट एनिमल. ठीक है, द लायन और द लेपर्ड, जो भी उन दोनों में से मरता है. इन द एंड द वल्चर्स वुड विन. डेफिनेटली जो भी उन दोनों में से हारता मरता, वल्चर्स विन करते. हाउ कम? बिकॉज दे वुड ईट द फ्लैश ऑफ वन ऑफ द एनिमल्स. जस्ट मे बी इट कुड बी द लायन और इट कुड बी द लेपर्ड. द टू एनिमल्स लुक्ड एट ईच अदर. एक दूसरे को देखते हैं. द सेम थॉट वॉज इन बोथ माइंड्स. दोनों के जहन में एक ही बात होती है. क्या होती है आपके ख्याल में? They said nothing. They got up and walked towards the water, and there side by side they drank. ठीक है ना? Now they were afraid of the vultures and they stopped fighting because they thought that their destiny would be very fearful, because if any one of them died, so what happened? They'll be the victim of the vultures. यानी vultures उनको eat कर लेंगे. So they stopped their fighting. So what happened at the end? We come to know they were fighting on the water, but later on they stopped their fighting because of the fear of the vultures, because they thought they would be eaten by the dreadful vultures. Okay class, I'm not going to give you any written work. I'm asking you orally 3 questions. Fine, you will have to find the answers. Just don't have to attempt it. You don't have to attempt it in any notebook of yours. Now question 1 is, why did the lion walk towards the water hole? क्यों जाता है? Because it was a very hot day and he was feeling very much thirsty. ठीक है. Question 2 is, why was the lion angry when he saw the leopard? Why was he angry? What do you think so? Yes, the lion was very much angry seeing the leopard, because he didn't want the leopard to drink the water from the water hole first. He wanted to drink the water himself first. ठीक है. Question 3 is, when the leopard says who does he think he is, he means, leopard जब ये बोलता है who does he think he is, किसको बोल रहा है ये? He is saying to lion. ठीक है. तो उसका क्या मतलब होता है leopard का? You have to select from these 2 options. The lion thinks he is king of the jungle, क्योंकि लायन सोचता है कि वो जंगल का किंग है, इसलिए वो सोच रहा था. और आई डोंट केयर इफ द लायन इज द किंग ऑफ द जंगल, कि मैं केयर नहीं करता कि वो किंग है जंगल का या नहीं है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक सो? विच इज़ द आंसर? ठीक है. यू जस्ट हैव टू थिंक इट, डू इट orally, don't have to attempt it in any notebook. Fine. Okay class 3, I guess your concept of this chapter must have been very well clear. Fine, you people do the reading again of this chapter and do a very good care of your health. Till then, Allah Hafiz from my side.